Lesson 9 is all about working as a group or a team. This lesson will require you to work in an assigned small group. And over the next several minutes, I'm going to walk you through the assignment and give you a tutorial on how to access your small group in E360. You will be analyzing an assigned problem that I've given you and attempting to come up with solutions using a brainstorming technique. You will be using a structured problem-solving approach, and you can view that on page 284 in your textbook. You're going to analyze the problem, develop creative solutions through brainstorming, and then you're going to evaluate the solutions by asking some questions. In order to engage in this problem-solving technique, the question you will be answering is what can be done to increase student success at Chippewa Valley Technical College. You're going to work together to solve this question, and the recorder will need to write down the following. You're going to reword this problem as a broad and open question. Identify 3 supporting and 3 restraining forces to this problem. 5 creative solutions for this problem. With each of the 5 solutions, you're going to evaluate them by asking which solution will produce the best desirable change, which solution is the most achievable, and which solution contains the fewest serious disadvantages. Everyone needs to participate. In order to do this, I have created a small group discussion board where you can communicate with one another to work on this problem, this assigned problem. Everyone needs to work together, so encourage one another to do so. Work off of each other's ideas. The recorder will put together all the completed work required under assignment or under number 5 right here. We just went through that, and I've also put it here. You're going to save the Word document on a USB or to your computer, and then the recorder needs to submit to the designated Dropbox in your small group. The Dropbox title is Campus Problems Group Solutions. When you are in our course in E360, on the left-hand side, you'll see a button bar. It's a menu button bar. You want to locate the button titled Groups right here. Press on it. If you'll see, I am the overseer of all the groups, so I have access to all of your campus problem group solution groups that I've assigned you to. However, if everything worked out and I assigned you to a group, you'll only see your designated group there. If you don't see a designated group there, please let me know right away. It might have been an error on my part when I entered in all of the groups, so I'll just put you into a group right away. But let's go to group number 1, for example. You'll just click on your designated group. It will show you all of the members of your group. On the left-hand side, you'll see that menu button, and to communicate with your group, you're going to be using the discussion button, and there you will see the discussion board titled Campus Problems Group Solutions. Each member of the group can communicate using this, and I want you all to use this so you can accomplish this assignment. Once you've decided on who the designated recorder is, you have worked through rewording the problem and all the other steps required in the brainstorming technique, your recorder will submit to the Dropbox in your small group. So if you'll see the Dropbox button here on the left-hand menu, you will see Campus Problems Group Solutions. That is where you will submit your group's completed work. If you'll notice in this lesson, you also have a Campus Problems Group Solution or Campus Problems Individual Reflection assignment. This is for you to reflect on your group experience. This you'll be turning in individually, And in order to turn this in, I have put the Dropbox in your small group. So you'll just submit the campus problem individual reflection to that designated Dropbox. Please be mindful that you are submitting to the correct Dropbox, so when you are getting ready to submit, double check that your campus problems group solutions, what you and your group worked on together, gets submitted to that designated Dropbox, and then your individual reflection be submitted to the appropriate Dropbox in your small group. If you have any questions while you're working on this process together, please do not hesitate to email, call, or stop by. I'm happy to help any way that I can to make this process as smooth as possible.